Winters in my country are mostly grey, wet, windy and cold, but sometimes when the wind comes from the northeast and the conditions are right, we are lucky enough to get one or more days covered in snow. Perhaps it's because of the rarity of snow that makes me feel so excited when the first snowflakes start to fall. I decided to go to my favorite park in Germany, Anholter Schweiz. The forest turned into a beautiful, magical place. I got overwhelmed by the beauty of it, and I wanted to take it all in and never forget this day. Although I love the sound of snow crunching underneath my feet, I didn't want to ruin the beauty of this magical landscape, and I felt badly walking on the snow and leave footprints. It was still snowing and the icy wind was blowing in my face. Today I'm back at the park in Germany to photograph the lynxes and wildcats and wolves in snow. It's absolutely gorgeous right now. Snow is falling. It's in the middle of the snow blizzard, but it was quite difficult to get here, but I managed to get here safely and I have no regret coming here. It is absolutely amazing. It is quite cold, but absolutely worth it. So let's see how beautiful it is here. It is so pretty right now. I'm so very happy that I'm here. So I hope to manage to get some good photos for you and some footage that I will share with you later. To my surprise, I found the male wildcat high up on the top of the tree trunk, catching the icy wind. At first I didn't see him. He is all rolled up with his fur covered in snow, and he looks almost like a giant snowball. Suddenly the snowball began to move and two green eyes stared at me. What an incredible sight. Some of the lynxes are having lunch. They dug up a deer hidden in the snow. As soon as their bellies are full, they disappear into the shrubs. Most of the day the lynxes stay hidden, finding shelter of the pine trees. One of the wolves is on the lookout on a fallen tree. Ice crystals are stuck on the fur of his head, some even on his eyebrows. Another wolf found himself a more sheltered spot, all rolled up to stay warm and protect himself from the blizzard. Before leaving the forest, I spent a little bit more time with the wolves, taking some last photos and enjoying every minute of this magical day. What a perfect day. It was an amazing day. It was incredible. There's so much snow here, and it's still snowing, as you can see. Maybe I don't know if you can see it, but huge snowflakes are falling right now, and but I have to go home. It's getting dark now, and I've got quite a drive home, so hopefully I can get home before dark and get home safely. So it was amazing, and hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.